how to close your Wyze account and remove cameras. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Wyze.com, or you can get into the application. Just make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your account, now what you can actually do is simply select your device that you want to remove. Then you can get into settings, then you can tap on delete devices. Do this manually with each devices and remove everything, and then from there you can cancel services. You can actually log into, like I said, the Wyze.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, and then you can actually tap on the cancel active plus subscription. If you simply tap on the menu bar right here, you'll be able to see that plan. Simply tap on that one, and then from there you can actually cancel it. And then after canceling the subscription, you can now delete your account, right? So for that, you can simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Then from here, once you are logged into your account, you'll actually be able to get into your account settings, tap on it, and then you can tap on delete account and then confirm it. You can re-enter your password and confirm the complete account closure, and that is exactly how you'll be able to close your Wyze account and remove cameras.